Well, hello everybody, it's Bella here from Rachel Bella Crafts, and I'm just going to do a quick flip through of my journal because I have just uploaded it into my shop on KoFi under Bella's Crafty Studio, okay? And it will be listed down below and the link will be in the description box. Okay, let's begin. So she's a chunky little thing and really pretty, and I've used Rachel's kit, as you've all seen, the Nostalgic Noel with the collaboration. Okay, so I've been doing a little bit of this every week. Okay, so let's begin then. So this is what I used was a very strong paper bag from Amazon, and I've covered it with fabric. I put corner protectors on the edges here. They don't go around the back because I didn't want them to go at the back. They're just on the front and obviously on the back there. Okay, I'm trying not to put it up in your face. I can't get my arm any higher, I'm afraid. So anyway, I've done the measurements, but we'll do them again. They are listed in my which one shall I use? This one, I think. So she's just over 6, not much, just over 6 inches by 8.5 inches, and she's 16 centimeters. Let's do it down here. 15.5 centimeters. I think I put 16 in the description, but there we go. And 5 centimeters, 4.5 to 5 centimeters the spine, and if I do it on the end, it says 1 3/4 inches. Okay, and I'll measure this. This is 3.5 inches closed and 9 centimeters closed. Okay, so as I say, I've used the kit. I've got some little bit of stitching here that I've done, and I put a little sparkly sequin up here. And you've seen all of this, I know you have. Just get that off there, it's annoying me. Right, there's the back. Okay, and there's lace down the spine. Lots of lace in this journal. I'll just undo it with the beautiful ribbon I've put on the edging. Okay, so here we go. So these are what I made in the freebie. So if you need to see those, you can go along and watch the freebie video for the collaboration. Okay. I don't know what's happened there. Something's come off by the look of it. Okay, well, I'll fix that. Good job I noticed that. So that's very odd. That's never happened before. But anyway, I'll leave that like that, and that'll remind me. So there's a lovely big tag there. And this one, I'll take that off, and then you'll be able to see. That opens like that. There's lots of writing space there. Okay, and this actually does come off. And I've got 3 die cut holes there that I've done. Okay, and that's like that, as I said. A little picture down there, and this one has gone inside there. So let's flip it over. Made a little card there. Okay. Beautiful papers by Rachel Bella, all in her KoFi shop. Well, that went behind there, I think. Or it could go behind there. What's happened there? There we go. No, they're separate. So that goes in there like that. I've got a little tag and pocket down there. Okay, and then that goes on the top like so. If I can get it in, there we are, like that. And there's a little bit of material there. This one is a tag I made. As I say, they're beautiful papers. Nostalgic Noel. All right. Oh, I've got 3 there. That shouldn't be in there. There we are. Finding things out now, aren't I? A little bit of lace on there and a bit of rickrack, and there's a tuck there. This is the center page of the first signature. There are 3 signatures, by the way. Okay, and I put these lovely pictures down here and there, and that's a pocket there, and I put those envelopes in here. Okay, so that's those. That's out of my lovely Christmas book. Santa baby on there. Okay, and these, as I say, was off the nostalgic strips. That was for each kit there is a first page, and I've just torn off the top bits because I didn't want to waste any of it. There we go, that's in there. Lovely card there with Father Christmas on a belly band. Lovely fireplace. These are all the background pages. I've used quite a few of the background pages. This is actually the journal signature pages, and they're gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Loads of lace in here, by the way. That's out of my Christmas book. 2 tags there. Pocket there. 2 little tags there. Loads of ephemera with this kit. Lots and lots of ephemera. Lots of fussy cutting. A bit of ribbon there with rickrack on the top, and some lace under here. Book page. It's another one of those little tags. Okay. That's a beautiful tag. I'm really pleased with that one. And there's a charm on there with snowflake. They've forecast snow for South Wales, UK, coming Friday, I think. I don't know whether we will get it in Cwmbran, because we're quite sheltered down here. So we'll wait and see what happens. No, I was thinking there was a charm behind there, but there isn't. So I've got some lovely beading on there. Okay. Isn't that beautiful? That's absolutely stunning. I shall miss working with this kit. I really will. Little charm on there, little angel. She's beautiful. Some envelopes that I've dressed there. Okay, and there and there. And I have actually glued that bit in the middle so they don't keep falling out. There we are. That's one of the tags. And the fussy cuts. As I say, load them. That's the second signature. This is the third one. Isn't that beautiful? Absolutely beautiful. That's another one out of my beautiful Christmas book. It's one of the envelopes. And I put 3 of the little book plates. Oh, I haven't got them handy now. I've tidied up a bit. It's a nice little tag. I like that one. That was fun to make that one. And there's another one of those little tags, and there's a pocket on there as well. Okay, I better not try and get them in together. There's a sweet little pocket on there. And Joy to the World down there. She's lovely with a little bit of a material by there. And there's Father Christmas on there. This is the one I did for the freebie. The last freebie we did. And that's a standalone pocket. Oh, and there's the tag there. On some lovely brown card. Okay. And that says Christmas Eve, because Father Christmas comes on Christmas Eve, doesn't he? Of course he does. And this one, I love this one. And that's, I haven't got it handy now, so I don't know what I've done with it. Oh, here it is. This is the ribbon I used on there. Okay, it's got hearts on it. Just noticed that. So there we are, that's that one. It says Joy to the World, and there's some lovely little tags down there, or labels I should say. And the Word became flesh and dwelt among us, and behold his glory. And I can't read anymore because it's so small. There we go. Another mid pockets tags with lace. That's a cute one. That's one I made myself. Some of these are the tags that are in the kit, and some I have actually made myself because I did masterboards. Somebody was asking me about that. Now that, you can see that's from a masterboard. Look, because it's like patchwork. And that says ho, ho, ho. Because Father Christmas is by there. December 25th. Isn't that pretty? Beautiful, beautiful pages. And this one is actually glued down. I wasn't going to glue it. Oh, sorry, I should have moved that out of the way. That's a nice one. And there's two little tags in the pocket there in the front. She's a sweet little journal. Really love this, making this journal. And then at the back then, I will open this one because we're at the end. All right, and I can show you what they are. Let me just take that out. And you've got a belly band here and a pocket there. Oh, I'm glad I opened that because there's nothing in there. Okay, so I must make something to go in there. I'm so glad I opened that. So I will go through and check everything afterwards again. And there's some buttons on here, 3 buttons at the top. That's a jolly little card, isn't it? Or tag. And that goes in there. And I just love those papers. Absolutely love those papers. Okay, so there we are. So I'll leave it there and I'll go through it again and make sure everything is tickety-boo. Thank you for watching and take care, everybody. Bye for now.